Friends, today I am going to give very important and detailed answer to questions such as how corona tests are done, where can we have our corona test, and after having corona test, how much time it takes to get the report. So to know the answer of such questions, please see the full video.
So friends, as coronavirus reports are increasing rapidly around the globe, people are getting more afraid of coronavirus. Even if we get cough or sneeze, many questions come to our mind like whether we have coronavirus or normal flu, where can we test coronavirus, if we got positive results whether we will be isolated or keep in quarantine. So friends, welcome to our channel and let's see the answer of these questions. Friends, if you have symptoms of coronavirus for a week even after taking medicines, then check up your health as there's almost 90% chance of having your coronavirus. To know the details of coronavirus symptoms, click in the link given in the description box below. So, friends, if you have symptoms of coronavirus over a week, or if you have come from abroad, especially from Iran, China or European countries in 2 or 3 months, then check up your health. Also, if you travel a lot and come in contact with a lot of unknown people, or if you come in contact with someone who have come from foreign countries or have symptoms of coronavirus over a week, then also you must have a corona test for your safety. Friends, if you are afraid that maybe you have symptoms of coronavirus, or you just normally want to have checkup just for your safety to know whether you have coronavirus or not, then you can visit any government hospitals or health centers. As government in almost all countries have opened specialist labs in their countries to check and treat people from coronavirus. And if you are from India, go to any government hospitals in your and ask any working staff there that where corona tests are done. They will tell you or take you to that particular place where this test are done. So first off, all you need to visit specialist laboratories where this test are done. Then lab specialists will have your swab test, a nasal aspirate, a tracheal aspirate, sputum test, and lastly a blood test. Swab test. In this test, the lab specialist will use a cotton swab and take a sample of the inside of your nose or throat. Nasal aspirate. In this test, the lab specialist will inject a saline solution into your nose, then remove the sample with gentle suction. Tracheal aspirate. In this test, the lab specialists will take a sample from your lungs by sending a thin and lighted tube, called a bronchoscope, in your lungs to collect the sample. Sputum test. Friends, sputum is a thick mucus that gets accumulated in your lungs that can be coughed out. So you have to cough up, and specialists will take your cough as a sample. Blood test. Finally, a blood test is done, and like normal blood test, your blood sample will be taken from veins, and a specialist gene sequencing test would be done from your blood sample to check whether you are corona positive or not. And finally, after 1 or 2 weeks, you will get reports whether you are safe from coronavirus or not. If you get positive results from your tests, then you will be told by the doctor to remain in quarantine. Friends, many people fear and think that if they got corona positive results from their tests, they will be isolated. That's not correct. Friends, if you get corona positive results from your tests, then you will be advised by the doctor to remain in self-quarantine, so that no one can come in your contact or use things used by you, so that they can remain safe. So friends, if you get positive results, you are advised by doctors to remain in self-quarantine or leave alone. Wear masks, drink more fluids, and some other advices are given by the doctor so that others remain safe from, and you will be told to remain in quarantine for some weeks until you get recovered. And if your health get worsened and you get breathing problems, then you are shifted to isolation. Friends, if you think you have symptoms of coronavirus, then please immediately check up your health and seek medical attention. I know many people are afraid of doing corona tests. I want to say them that there's nothing to be afraid of. Instead, this tests are done so that you can remain safe, and moreover your family, friends, relatives and people around you can remain safe. So just think about them without being selfish. As I have also said in my previous video, and again I am saying, that there's no cure available, no vaccine have been still discussed or discovered. So it's better to live in isolation than to die.
Friends, many people still don't know how corona tests are done, and they think that if someone is found positive after corona test, then they are directly sent to isolation. So help them to change their mindset and let them know the process of corona test by sharing this video. Also subscribe our channel so that you don't miss our new videos.